Are you struggling with a small bedroom that feels cluttered and cramped? You're not alone. Many people face the same problem. But what if I told you that you can transform your tiny space into a cozy, organized haven with just a few simple tricks? In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 25+ expert tips that will help you maximize every inch of your bedroom. Whether it's clever furniture choices, smart storage ideas, or simple decorating hacks, these tips work. You'll learn how to create a room that's both functional and stylish, all while keeping it organized. Ready to turn your small bedroom into a space that feels bigger and brighter? Let's dive in. Start with smart space-saving basics. Let's kick things off with 3 simple, yet incredibly powerful tips to make your small bedroom feel bigger and more organized. These space-saving tricks are not only practical but will instantly change how your room looks and feels. Tip 1. Use vertical space. When floor space is limited, look up. Your walls are a goldmine for creating more storage without taking up valuable floor area. Installing shelves above your desk, bed, or even next to your closet can help you store books, boxes, plants, or small baskets. This trick keeps items off the ground and clears up walking space. It also gives the room a more open and airy feel. Think about wall-mounted floating shelves or hooks for even more efficient use of vertical space. The higher you go, the more you save on floor clutter. Tip 2. Use multifunctional furniture. In a small bedroom, every piece of furniture should pull double duty. Look for items that serve more than one purpose. For example, a bed with built-in drawers can hold extra clothes or blankets. A storage bench at the foot of your bed can provide seating while also hiding away shoes or seasonal items. Even a foldable desk that you can tuck away when not in use will save space. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer. It gives you the functionality of multiple pieces without taking up more room. Tip 3. Try underbed storage hacks. Don't overlook the space under your bed. It's a hidden treasure for storage. You can use this often forgotten space for bins, rolling boxes, or baskets to store anything from seasonal clothes to shoes or extra bedding. Keeping these items tucked under the bed not only clears up space in your closet but also ensures your room remains tidy and organized. Plus, it's easy to access and doesn't require extra space outside your bed. This is the perfect hack for anyone looking to maximize every inch of their small room. These 3 tips are a fantastic starting point for organizing any small bedroom. They are simple, practical, and will immediately help you feel more organized without overwhelming you. Now that we've saved some space, let's move on to the next section, where we'll explore smart ways to store your things without the mess. Hidden storage and smart organization tricks. Now that we've cleared some floor space, let's find creative ways to store your stuff without making your room feel stuffed. Small bedrooms need smart thinking, and these next tips will help you use the space you already have in new ways. Tip 4. Use over-the-door organizers. The back of your door is often forgotten, but it's a secret storage spot. Use an over-the-door organizer with pockets or shelves. You can keep shoes, socks, skincare, or even chargers and cables in there. It's super easy to hang and doesn't need any tools. The best part? It hides away when the door is open, keeping everything out of sight. This is perfect for things you use often but don't want lying around. Tip 5. Hang hooks and pegs. Hooks and pegboards are a lifesaver in small rooms. Add them to empty wall space, the side of your wardrobe, or even inside your closet doors. Hang up bags, hats, keys, belts, or scarves. It's all about keeping things off the floor and within reach. You can even hang jewelry or headphones to stop them from getting lost or tangled. Plus, it gives your room a neat and stylish touch without much effort. Tip 6. Get storage baskets and boxes. Baskets and boxes make organizing super simple. Choose ones that match your room to keep it looking clean and pretty. Store clothes, books, makeup, or small tools in them. Stack them on shelves, slide them under your bed, or line them inside your closet. Label each box so you know what's inside. This makes it easier to find things and stops clutter from piling up. When everything has a place, your room will always look tidy, even on busy days. With just these 3 tips, you're already turning hidden corners into smart storage. And we're just getting started. In the next section, we'll make your closet work harder, no matter how small it is. Don't miss it! Maximize your closet space, even the tiny ones. Closets in small bedrooms can feel way too tight. But with a few smart ideas, you can make them feel bigger and work better for you. These next 3 tips will help you organize your closet like a pro, even if it's really small. Tip 7. Use slim, matching hangers. Start by switching to slim hangers. Thick or bulky hangers take up too much space. Slim hangers, especially the velvet kind, save room and stop clothes from slipping off. When all your hangers match, your closet also looks neat and clean. It makes it easier to see what you have and keeps things from getting crowded. Tip 8. Add a second hanging rod. This is a game changer if your closet is tall. You can add a second rod underneath the top one. Use it for shorter items like shirts, skirts, or pants. It almost doubles your hanging space without needing a bigger closet. And don't worry, it's easy to install and doesn't cost much. Tip 9. Use hanging shelf organizers. If you don't have built-in shelves, no problem. A hanging shelf organizer is a soft fabric shelf you hang from your closet rod. Use it to store folded clothes, bags, or even shoes. It keeps things off the floor and adds extra spots to store your stuff. You'll be surprised how much you can fit in these. With these closet tricks, your clothes will be easier to find and your closet will feel more open. You don't need a walk-in to stay organized, just a few smart hacks. In the next section, we'll talk about how to keep your nightstand and dresser tidy too. You're going to love those tips. Tidy up your nightstand and dresser. Small changes, big difference. Even a small bedroom has spots that gather clutter fast, like your nightstand or dresser. But with a little organizing, these spaces can be both useful and neat. Let's look at 3 easy tips that help you control the mess and keep things in order. Tip 10. Use drawer dividers. Drawers can turn into a mess if everything is just thrown in. Drawer dividers help you keep small things in their place. Use them for socks, underwear, makeup, jewelry, or even phone chargers. You can buy them or make your own using small boxes. When each item has its own little space, it's easier to find what you need and your drawer stays clean. Tip 11. Clear off the top. A nightstand or dresser top should not be full of stuff. Keep only the things you really use, like a lamp, alarm clock, or a small tray for keys or glasses. Use a small dish or box to collect loose items like rings or hair ties. Keeping the top clear makes your room feel calmer and cleaner. Tip 12. Store less used items in bottom drawers. Not everything needs to be within reach. Use the lower drawers for things you don't use every day, like extra sheets, out-of-season clothes, or keepsakes. That way, the top drawers can hold daily use items and stay easy to access. It's all about putting things in the right place so you don't have to dig through a mess. These 3 tips may seem small, but together they make your room feel more open and peaceful. And when your bedside area is neat, it's easier to relax and sleep well. Up next, we're heading to the walls and windows. Yes, even they can help you organize better. Stay tuned. Use walls and windows, more than just decor. When your bedroom is small, every space counts. And that includes your walls and windows. These areas are often ignored, but they can be super helpful for saving space and adding storage. Let's see how. Tip 13. Install wall shelves. Wall shelves are perfect when you don't have much floor space. You can use them to store books, display decor, or keep small storage boxes. Place them above your bed, desk, or dresser. They lift things off the floor and give your room a clean look. Plus, they add style too. Tip 14. Use a wall-mounted desk or foldable table. If you need a study or workspace but don't have room for a full desk, try a wall-mounted or foldable table. It stays flat against the wall when not in use and opens up when needed. Add a small foldable chair and you've got yourself a mini workstation that doesn't take up space. Tip 15. Hang curtains high and wide. This might not sound like an organizing tip, but it works. Hanging your curtains closer to the ceiling and wider than your window makes the room feel taller and more open. It creates the feeling of more space, even if the room is tiny. Use light-colored curtains to make the room feel fresh and airy. Walls and windows are not just for decoration, they're great tools to help your small bedroom feel bigger and stay more organized. In the next section, we'll talk about smart furniture choices that do more than one job. Get ready for some game-changing ideas. Choose smart furniture. Make every piece work harder. In a small bedroom, every piece of furniture should be useful. If it only does one thing, it might be wasting space. That's why smart furniture is so helpful. It saves room and keeps things organized at the same time. Let's look at some great options. Tip 16. Pick a bed with storage drawers. Your bed takes up a lot of space, so let it help with storage too. Choose a bed with drawers underneath. You can store clothes, shoes, blankets, or extra pillows. It's perfect for things you don't use every day. And since it's hidden, your room still looks clean. Tip 17. Try a storage ottoman or bench. A small bench or ottoman at the foot of your bed can be super helpful. It gives you a place to sit while getting ready. But even better, it opens up for storage inside. Use it for books, bags, winter clothes, or anything you want to tuck away neatly. It looks stylish and saves space. Tip 18. Use a nightstand with drawers or shelves. Instead of a plain table, pick a nightstand that has drawers or shelves. You can keep more things like books, chargers, or skincare in there. Everything stays close but out of sight. It keeps your bedside area looking clean and useful. Smart furniture doesn't mean expensive. It just means thinking about what works best in your space. The right piece can do 2 or even 3 jobs at once. In the next section, we'll look at lighting tricks that make your small room feel bigger and brighter. Let's keep going. Use lighting to make your room feel bigger and brighter. Good lighting can totally change a small bedroom. It can make your space feel open, warm, and cozy. You don't need fancy lights. Just a few smart changes can brighten up your room and even make it look bigger. Tip 19. Use wall-mounted or hanging lights. Instead of using big lamps that take up table space, go for wall-mounted lights or hanging lights. These lights free up your nightstand and give your room a modern look. You can place them beside your bed or above your desk. It saves space and still gives good light. Tip 20. Add LED strip lights in shelves or under bed. LED strip lights are a fun and smart way to add light. You can stick them under your bed, inside shelves, or around your mirror. They don't take up space and give off a soft glow. Plus, they make your room look stylish and fresh. Tip 21. Use light colors and reflective surfaces. Choose light-colored lampshades and shiny items like mirrors or glossy decor. They bounce the light around the room and make it feel bigger. Even small things like a white lamp or a mirror on the wall can help reflect more light and open up the space. Lighting isn't just about brightness. It's about feeling. A well-lit room feels clean, fresh, and relaxing. And in small bedrooms, that's exactly what you need. In the next section, we'll go over some decluttering tips that will change how your whole room feels. Stay with me. Things are about to get even better. Declutter your space. Keep it clean and calm. When your bedroom is small, clutter can make it feel even smaller. The more things you have around, the messier it looks. But with a few simple tricks, you can keep your space clean, calm, and organized. Tip 22. Regularly clear your surface spaces. It's easy for things to pile up on your desk, nightstand, or dresser. To keep your space neat, clear off these surfaces every day. Take 5 minutes each night to put away items like books, cups, or clothes. This small habit prevents clutter from building up, and your room will always feel tidy. Tip 23. Donate or sell items you don't need. Get rid of things you no longer use. Go through your closet, drawers, and shelves. If you haven't used something in a while, donate it or sell it. The less you own, the less clutter you'll have. And the best part? You'll make space for things that are more useful or meaningful. Tip 24. Use multi-use baskets and boxes. Baskets and storage boxes are your best friends when it comes to decluttering. Use them for things like extra towels, shoes, or toys. Place them under your bed, on shelves, or in your closet. These boxes keep things organized and out of sight. Plus, they give your room a clean, streamlined look. Decluttering doesn't have to be hard. It's just about making small changes and being mindful of what you really need. In the next section, we'll cover decorating ideas that make your bedroom look beautiful and organized without taking up space. Keep going, you're doing amazing! Decorating ideas. Add style without the clutter. A small bedroom can still look stylish. The trick is to decorate in a way that doesn't make the room feel crowded. You can use colors, patterns, and decor that brighten up the space without taking up too much room. Let's see how. Tip 25. Use minimalist decor. Minimalism is all about keeping things simple. Choose 1 or 2 statement pieces, like a beautiful painting or a unique lamp. Avoid too many small decor items that can create clutter. A few well-chosen pieces will make your room feel calm and stylish, not overcrowded. Tip 26. Stick to light, neutral colors. Light colors, like white, beige, or soft pastels, make a room feel bigger and more open. You can add a pop of color with accessories like pillows, blankets, or a small rug. Keeping the walls and larger items in neutral shades creates a sense of space. It's simple, fresh, and clean. Tip 27. Use vertical space for decoration. When you don't have much floor space, look to the walls. Hang a few shelves or wall art to add style without taking up space. You can also hang plants, lights, or small decorative items on the wall. This keeps your floor area clear while still adding personality to the room. Decorating a small bedroom doesn't mean it has to be boring. You can keep it stylish, organized, and cozy all at the same time. In our final section, we'll tie everything together and help you maintain your organized space every day. Stay tuned for the last few tips that will complete your transformation. That's a wrap. Now you have over 25 tips to help you organize your small bedroom like a pro. By using these simple tricks, you can make your room feel bigger, more organized, and still stylish. It's all about using the space wisely and choosing the right furniture and storage. If you found these tips helpful, hit the thumbs up button to show some love. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more practical home organization ideas. Comment below and let me know which tip you'll try first or share your own favorite bedroom hacks with us. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to create a bedroom that's both beautiful and functional. Stay tuned for more videos packed with easy home makeover ideas. See you next time, and as always, stay organized and enjoy your space.